This video is to introduce you to the GLEAW family of products. This particular one that you see on the screen is GLEAW Mobility Pro. It's the centerpiece for our applications. The GLEAW Mobility Mini is a subset of this, but has the key features, and GLEAW Mobility Dart has additional features. The most prominent thing on this display is the GLEAW code. This is your current location as understood by GPS signals and other signals. It has a resolution of 1 meter on a side within the 35-foot resolution of a GPS signal itself. Here we can see that being recalculated on a regular basis, and if we were to touch here, it will pull down and show you your current locations, latitude and longitude, and a quality code. So if you're in an environment that inhibits the GPS signal for one reason or another, it gives you an idea of how long it's been since you've had an accurate reading. This area of the screen is a picture that is the default from the hamburger pull down. You can change this to your favorite screen to personalize it. Down here goes a GLEAW code. You can either type it in, paste it in, or it gets deposited there via various utilities we have. It's also lockable so that once you set it, it stays in place even if you turn your phone off. Here we can put in an address, and if you're online, it will convert that address to a GLEAW code by touching there, move it up in here, and that allows all the utilities that you're familiar with from previous uses to be used. This is an optional privacy encryption that allows you to put location information on social media that only you and people who have that encryption code to get accurate information about your location. This is our SOS feature. It's predominantly used on devices that are truly connected. It opens up, once activated, it opens up a telephone line, sends a text message, and an email with information about your current location and status. Map Glue is our function that allows you to call up utilities like iMaps, Google Maps, Google Earth, and other mapping utilities on the Android environment like Maps.me, those sorts of things. Verbal Glue gives you a pull down that shows you how to say the mnemonics for this GLEAW code. It's very useful when you're off net or off in the woods like hunting. You can say it accurately via walkie-talkie, VHF radio, those kinds of communications to speak with other people who have the utility and guide you to your location. And you do that off net with our key tool called This Way. It provides a green arrow that points in the direction of your destination. Unlike a compass that points in a specific direction, this always points to your destination. Gives you distance and a few other tools in there as well. Works fantastic overseas with your device in airplane mode. This is the GLEAW directory. This is where you store location information. For use offline, you can put in all the classic things, group things together, have a description, and organize your information there. And it's stored within your device, so it's available to use offline with tools like This Way and other utilities. We also provide the ability to connect with our server. There we have over 11 million points of interest for you to download into your device, organized in various forms. And once it's downloaded in your local directory, those become available for you to use offline. Share Glue is our social connection. It allows you to share GLEAW directory information, current location information, things like that, via text messages, emails, social media, those sorts of things, plus additional ones in there, but that's a general overview of Share Glue. Get Glue is a utility that calls up a world map. You can navigate around the globe, zoom in, hold your finger on a location. It then creates a pop-up with the GLEAW code for that location. Once you touch that box, you now can have a range of utilities like share, put it in a directory. This way, all those kinds of tools become available to you from Get Glue. We'll go into each of those in significant more detail, and we'll also do a few scenario-based uses of this application. Thank you very much.